Hello everyone, welcome to a new fitness video. In today's video, we will be learning how to do conventional deadlift. Before we dive into it, let's understand what is a deadlift, what are the benefits of doing it, and should everyone do it? Every time you bend forward to tie your shoelaces or to pick something from floor, etc., you're doing a deadlift. That makes this exercise the best functional movement. Let's start with movement skill work. Keep your feet hip-width apart and relax shoulders. Brace your core and take a deep breath in from nose and descent down to pick the barbell by pushing the hip back and hold the barbell just outside your feet with overhand grip. Stand back up with braced core and push your feet down to engage your lower body. Repeat the same movement pattern until the bar reaches your shin and back to starting position. What is bracing the core even means? Imagine yourself in a boxing ring and the other athlete is about to punch you hard in stomach. Your first reaction would be to tighten up your stomach to protect your organs. That's exactly what bracing is. You will get better at it by doing it repetitively. Deadlifts have many benefits like improved posture, enhanced grip strength, increased testosterone production, reduced body fat, etc. Yes, everyone should deadlift. However, some factors may prevent others from safely performing them. You can still benefit from the hinge pattern that deadlifts use by finding a variation that works for you. Stand with your feet under the barbell as if it's over your shoelaces and raise your hands parallel to floor and immediately grab the bar. Imagine one piece of lemon stuck under your armpits both sides and you have to squeeze it hard to engage your lats. Inhale from nose and brace your core as hard as you can and push your feet down and lift the bar up by pushing your feet down hard. Hold your breath and with braced core descent down with hip, moving back and bring the bar down until it reaches your shin. At any point in your set, you are unable to maintain brace. That will lead to rounding your back. To avoid that, you can rest the bar on floor for a brief second and again inhale and brace, and you are ready to lift again. Putting the weight down is actually resetting your form, which is actually great. If you can't lift the bar from floor due to some limitations, you can regress the movement and do it inside the squat rack with barbell resting on safety bars to decrease its range of motion. You can adjust the safety bar's height according to your present limitations, or you can place plates under the bar to elevate it. You will apply the exact same cues for deadlift regressions. Hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe, share, and like the video. Come back for more such content.